Welcome to Clean and Decorate with me, hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Debbie Bubbles, and myself. I'm going to show you today how I boxed up my nativity set and gave my piano a refresh. This nativity set is beautiful. It was given to me by my mom. She purchased it years ago at the Cracker Barrel gift shop. And fortunately, I have kept the box that it came in with the styrofoam cutout so I can put all the pieces back. And I have this little silk fabric that I wrap baby Jesus in. A little extra protection. So this is very special to me. I'm thinking I have had this for about 20 years now. And it reminds me of my mom every time I do bring it out. She has since passed away. So there was Joseph, Mary, and baby Jesus. And I have a little bit of straw paper, shredded paper, and I just put that in a baggie and I tuck it inside the styrofoam. So there we go. And then I just slip it inside the box. Now here is the three kings. So here is the camel. Again, this three kings was from the Cracker Barrel gift shop as well. And here is the king that rides the camel. It's all very well made, so I'm very careful when I pack it up. And there's the other king. And the third king. And both sets are boxed, ready to be put away. Okay, here above the piano, I have two beautiful wreaths that I have hanging from my sconce, and I'm going to remove both. Now, I typically just put those in my closet. Okay, now I am cleaning the glass on the sconces, and I'll be cleaning the glass on the picture above the piano, which was a print that I purchased from Amazon of a snowy village. So here I am cleaning the other sconce glass. Okay, now I'm going to be cleaning the piano with just a wood cleaner, giving it a good wipe down. Now this piano belongs to my grandson. He inherited it from his paternal grandparents. They traveled from Florida to Alabama to give it to him when he graduated high school. Now, once he graduates from college and has a place of his own, he'll be sure to get it back. And it is a Baldwin. It's very beautiful and well made. Now, once I have this all cleaned up, I'm going to decorate it with something rather simple. I don't know about you all, when Christmas is over, I like to start fresh. Now, I typically keep this Roman bust on top of the piano, and I've had it for years. I believe it was just thrifted. So I'm going to place that at one end. I'm even going to give it a little dusting as well. And then on the other side, I have this beautiful clock that's under a dome. Again, I've had that for years. And I dusted that off as well. Now I've decided to move the clock over And I'm going to add this wispy, grassy plant in a white pot at the other end, along with 3 brass candle holders with green tapered candles in it. And I will have some still shots of the candles lit. I had forgotten to videotape when I was doing that. But here's what it looks like so far. Doesn't that look nice and simple, like I said? One last item is this golden bird wearing a crown. I just think that's so adorable. And I decided it needed something around the Roman bust, so I had this wreath that I purchased at the Dollar General. It was just the added touch that it needed. What do you all think? So hopefully this gave you some suggestions after Christmas decorating. If you want to go with something simple, try just putting a simple wreath over a statue or whatever you want to freshen it up. And it's a new start to a new year. Okay, here are some still shots of the candles all lit. I want to thank you all for watching. Be sure to go check out the playlist and leave a comment and a like as well. See you all in the next one. Bye-bye for now.